success of Can't Buy Me Love once again shown that you are today's new gen phenomenal love team. Can you share with us your vision for your love team in the next 5 years? Vision, yeah.
Hindi ako, I've always told Belle naman, I love working with her and kami if we were to do like projects together or whatever, ang importante, communicate namin. And we're just so happy that we're given these types of projects kasi we want things that are different from our previous ones. And I think this did that naman. So, sa next project namin, which I'm sure meron yan. Kasi,
abangan!
gusto mo lang naman.
Grabe ka naman.
Pinaka-last.
Pero it's true.
We will obviously talk about the script and we'll want to make sure that it's very different from what we've done. And down the line, what, 5 years? Of course, I still want to work with you.